this our proactive oxygen concentrator machine. This one has a maximum capacity of 5 liter, which will give maximum 5 liter flow of oxygen. And this machine came from one of the foreign country. Hence, this machine can be only used with 110 volt power supply. So, machine came along with a step down transformer, which will convert our 230 volt to 110 volt. Our as per our standard, the main power supply is 230 volt and 50 hertz supply. So, this transformer should be used for connecting this device, or any 110 volt can be connected with this machine. So, this transformer needs to be connected to our main 230 power supply, and this power cord should be connected here to the our transformer. So, after switching on main power button, our transformer is now powered on, and so here we can see equipment main power button and oxygen flow meters and oxygen concentrator running hours meter and output now. And here also we can see various LED indicators. So now we will switch on this machine. So now the machine is giving various LED indicator is blinking. So that means this machine is initializing and the machine is not ready for connecting to the patient side. So here we can see multiple indicators: green, orange and red. That means green means the system ready indication. Now machine is ready for use. Here we can see the green indicator is steady now. So that means system is okay. Oxygen concentration is greater than or equal to 85%. And we can also see here a orange warning indicator. Then we can see red indicator also. The orange indicator means the oxygen concentration is less than 85%. So if our output oxygen supply is less than 85%, this will be indicator will be on. The orange indicator will be on. So here we can see the red indicator also. That means there is a high priority alarm, red indicator. So that means output flow is, if output flow is less than half liter or the concentration is less than 73%, the red indicator will be on. Here we can see oxygen flow meter, which is starting from 0 to 5. The maximum capacity of this machine is 5 liter. Here we can see the red indication. This is a rotating knob which is using for changing the output flow, for increasing and decreasing the flow rate. So here we can rotate anti-clockwise direction for increasing the output flow and clockwise direction for decreasing the flow. So we'll see how this alarm is functioning. If output flow is less than half liter, this now the flow is less than half liter. We have set here less than half liter. Now continuous alarm is coming, and it's giving also red light indication. So let's see. So that time we have to ensure the flow meter kept properly, and if there is no flow, so we have to increase the flow above half liter. So machine will be in OK mode. So here we can see the oxygen output now. Here we have to connect the oxygen tubing which is going to the patient side. Here we can see oxygen concentrator running our meter, so which will show the running hours of this machine. And here we can see one switch here is a breaker button. So if any power supply failure or fluctuations or any spike in power supply, so breaker will be on and machine will be stopped. So that time we have to ensure if suddenly the machine is not working, so we have to ensure whether this breaker has any problem, or if it is on, we have to press to normal position. And here we can see the machine came along with the humidifier bottle. So this is a humidifier bottle. We can remove like this, and we should use stellar purified water, and the purified water should be used in between maximum and minimum level. Here we can see the maximum and minimum indication on this bottle, so it should be used in between this level only. So after filling purified water, this bottle needs to be connected here. Here we have an elastic belt, so we have to connect here, and this tubing is going to oxygen output now. So we have to connect here properly, and this part is connecting to the patient side. The oxygen tubing to the patient side will be connecting to this side. So after using this one, most probably the humidified water will be stuck in between patient tubings and all. So better we can avoid this bottle due to infection point of view and all. So most of the doctors are not suggesting using this humidified bottle nowadays. So we can connect directly this machine to the patient through this knob. So directly this tubing needs to be connected on this knob. So we can see here oxygen intake filter, that is the environmental air is passing through this filter, and which is using for filtering the dust which is from the environmental, and so this needs to be removed and cleaned periodically for ensuring the proper working condition of this machine. So if it is blocked, the machine will not be running properly, and which will be giving a multiple alarm and not be working at all after some time. So this we have to here remove this screws, and we have to remove that connector. So after we can see here one locking system here. Here we have to unlock here, and this came along with the 4 screws. So these screws needs to be removed. We'll take care of screws. So we can see this air intake filter, which is using for filtering the dust particle from environmental air. So along this, after unpacking this machine, you can see extra one filter and humidified water, humidified water. So and also we can see an instruction manual. So before using this machine, so everyone should read all instructions and terms and conditions mentioned in instruction manual. Everyone should refer user manual properly. So this filter needs to be cleaned periodically, can be washed, and should use after drying, can be washed with water. So it should be used after drying properly only. So we have to fix on this faucet, and we have to connect it here and tie our screws. So after fixing this, we have to connect it here, and also here we can see multiple filter inside, pre-filter, HEPA filter. After this purification of environmental air, which will be going through zeolite filter, which will absorb the nitrogen content in that, and it will produce maximum oxygen rich air output from this top. So mainly the zeolite filter only producing oxygen, so that filter will be has good lifetime, but if it is there is a proper oxygen output issue, so we have to replace the zeolite filter also, that is oxygen C bed. So C filter we have to replace periodically after certain running out. So that time the oxygen output delivery will be less. So it will be giving the we will be giving the oxygen concentration less than 85%. So we have to replace the filter that time. And we can see this came along with the forbid, can be moved easily anywhere. And this one have here we can see equipment's details, serial number, manufacturer's details, everything here. The main power supply connected through this, and here exhaust air will be passing through this side only. Here we can feel hot air. Okay, this thank you for watching this.